know this. This is just extreme, over-the-top joy.
Hey, it's Gary down at Clawson. How you doing today?
Hi, I'm Jimmy with Clawson Truck Center.
Good morning, everybody. It's Lex from Clawson Motorsports again.
Hi, I'm Mike from Clawson Honda.
You know, Clawson Truck Center has this huge sale going on this weekend. You could have just gone there.
Now I know what you're thinking. This isn't quite a breakdown.
I take you for the rest of my life.
Brennan!
Green Sale Certified event.
Bachelors of Fresno.
Okay!
Cool, yeah.
I'm on it, Gary.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm running late.
Yeah, right.
I have a flat tire.
Sorry to hear that then, Patrick.
The Metropolitan.
So we got the tent set up here.
Gary here on the roof. It's about 2 a.m. right now.
Hi guys, Tony Kroll, registered dietitian nutritionist.
Real life traffic jam.
Just want to invite everybody.
Alright, cut.
But Santa, I thought the sleigh ran on Christmas magic.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Have you heard of Clawson Honda's engine for life warranty?
Hey, how you doing? Gary down at Clawson Honda. How you doing today, huh? It's a brand new year.
Can you keep it down, please?
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there.
That sounds great.
Like, Santa's gonna love that!
Off-road vehicle.
I'll take it.
Nothing.
Let's do it signing.
Okay.
Okay.
Start from the top.